Aikido Vrino, Peace Dojo, Vince Salvatore. Today is our conflict transformation class, and the theme is recycle the violence. So in Aikido, we're taking any type of aggression, any type of conflict, and we move in a way to where we're really recycling it. Hopefully it comes out as a better type of product. What a wonderful thing for the world. In the class, I'm going to show 6 different ways in which you'll be able to recycle the violence. And it's all based on traditional Aikido and the principles of Aikido. Thank you for your attention, and if you can't make it today, I'd love to see you next time. Thank you.
Recycle.
Hey guys, recycle. Recycle please.